Before you pick a niche in this YouTube, just try to know if they will be monetized or not. It is very, very important so that all your efforts will not be in vain, because it is very painful. We know it's very difficult for us to grow a channel. So after getting a niche and you grow that channel, at the end of the day, you are unable to monetize, to see the reward of your hard work. So it is very, very painful. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you niches that will not be monetized. No matter the amount of subscribers or views you will get, they will not be monetized. And I'll advise you pay attention to this video, as I'm going to share with you the niches that will not be monetized, so you will know at the end of this video if your niche is among this niche that will not be monetized. So, and I'll also share with you on how to go about it in case your niche is among this niche I'm going to list in this video. So I will share with you on how you will go about it to resolve it, so you be at the right track, right? So I'll urge you to pay attention to this video and stick till the end of this video, so you get every bit of what I'm going to share with you in this video, and you also get it right. Without much being said, let's dive straight to the video. So if you feel this video is what you like to watch, or this video is beautiful for you to watch, please a thumbs up, and also share this video, and also join this beautiful family, and click on the notification bell so you get notified once I drop a new video. First on our list, we have reuse content, which is compilation of videos. I came across a lot of niches in this YouTube streets that they are actually posting reuse content, but they are actually doing it in the wrong way. Reuse videos are videos that you will download from Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. You download those videos and you just go ahead and start uploading it on your YouTube channel. That channel will not be monetized, because why? That is not your content. But there is a way you can actually post this video. There's a way you can actually edit it and you won't be affected, right? Which I'm going to share with you in this video, how you are going to do that. So first of all, before we go ahead, let me show you this particular channel. This particular channel has a lot of videos that has a lot of views, right? And some of the videos are monetized and some are not monetized. Let's go ahead and check if this particular video is monetized or not. So now let's go straight to our screen record. Let me show you quickly on how this is done. So now we want to check this particular channel. This particular channel content is all about reuse content. So now let's take one of his video to check if the video is actually monetized or not, for us to be sure of what we are actually talking about reuse content. So now you can see that this particular video, it has over 100k views, right? So now we want to check if this particular video is monetized or not. So now let's copy the link of this particular video. We'll copy it. So we'll come to this YT large. This YT large is where we'll confirm if that particular video is monetized or not. So if you want to check any video that is monetized or not, any channel that is monetized or not, so all you need to do is just for you to come to this YT large, search it on Google, then you check that particular video if it is actually monetized or not. So we click on this. It will bring us to this place where you see paste the, now we are going to paste the video link, right? So paste it here, then you copy this number that is here, 261. Let's copy it, 261. Then click on enter. A lot of ads will be coming. We'll just try and ignore the ads, so I will be careful about those ads. So it's loading now. So okay, this is the particular video. Instagram reads that had me crackling on the floor. Part 5 is not monetized. So you can see now that this particular video is not monetized and is a reuse content. Video authenticity status. This video is not perceived as original. So you can see, right, that this particular video is not monetized. Even or even the amount of views that it has almost 100k views, and still yet it cannot be monetized. Because why? This particular reused content is not properly done the right way, which I'm going to show you how to make use of this particular content in case you are doing this niche, right? Second on our list is text to speech, which is AI generated content. Now, AI voiceovers alone can even lead to demonetization if you are monetized. And if this AI content is not properly done, just know that if you are doing that niche, it's just a wasted effort if you don't know how this is being done. Now, example of this AI generated content, we have motivational quotes with AI voice. We have to be careful of the niche we choose in this YouTube street. And even if before you choose any niche in this YouTube street, you have to know how those people are doing it, because some person will be saying that these people are doing it and it works, some are doing it and they are monetized, but do you know how they are doing it? You don't know. So that is why I'm going to share with you at the end of this video how it is actually done. Third on our list is copyright content. Like, for example, we have music and we have movies. If you are the type of person that goes to all these websites to download movies and music, and you just take them directly to your YouTube channel, how, without even editing it, a content that is not your own, it can lead to copyright strike, and it can also lead to demonetization. And because after growing your channel and your channel has reached the monetization threshold, right, before YouTube will monetize you, YouTube will also check all those your videos. Even if you have posted it for a long time, they will go ahead and check that video to check if you have any copyright issues. So we have to be very, very careful, and that can also delay you from monetization. So we have to be very, very careful. This fourth one on our list is clickbait and misleading content. Now, if your video contains false claim or misleading content, title and thumbnail, just know that YouTube will not approve your monetization. Because why will you create a channel and that channel is misleading people? For example, I came across one YouTube channel, how to hack MTN network for you to get free data. I go ahead to check that video, and I noticed that that video is not even monetized. Now, how will you be passing code that is not even correct? You are misleading the people. Do you know that YouTube is very, very careful of the kind of content they even push out there to their audience? Because why? They don't want a content that is going to be misleading people. Even if you drop a title that is totally different from what is in the video, or your thumbnail that is totally different from what is in the video, just for you to draw audience attention for them to come and watch that particular video, just know that you are just wasting your time. Because at the end of the day, even if you are monetized, even if that channel is monetized, at the end of the day, YouTube will not even allow you to monetize that video. My friend also, she was already monetized, her channel was already monetized, right? Should I just say she made a video concerning how to trick CapCut without, like, you don't need to pay, right? You have to use it for free. How to do it, I've forgotten the title of that particular video. But did you know that that video, YouTube asked her to put down that video, and she was on strike, and that channel was on strike. So we have to be very, very careful of what we watch, and also the type of title and the type of content. If you know that you are doing content that is misleading people, just know that that channel will not be monetized, and YouTube will not approve your monetization. So we have to be careful of the kind of content we bring out here to YouTube. It is very, very important. Another one on our list, illegal and controversial topics. Anything related to violence, scam, hacking, violence. Like, if you know you are doing videos that is related to violence, like you know what violence is all about, just know that if you are doing all of that, that channel will not be monetized. And if you know you are scamming people, maybe you are dropping a video of how to scam people, and somebody posts a video on, is it how to trick Glow Network to do this, do that? It will not work. YouTube will not monetize that video. Like, why will you come out here and be teaching people how to scam other networks? Some will even go ahead and be posting link, like the one I saw recently, MTN data whatever. They go ahead and posting code that doesn't even exist. Even at the end of the day, that video will have a lot of views, YouTube will not monetize that video. So now I'm going to be, after I've listed all the niche that will not be monetized. So if you know that your niche is among any of these niche, now pay attention. I want to share with you what you can do instead of doing that in the wrong way, right? So now, first on our list, instead of posting a reuse content, that is compilation of content that is taking video from Instagram, TikTok and Facebook and other platforms, not react to the video itself. That is, make yourself visible. In the essence of, you can put that particular video you've taken from wherever you've taken it from, then make sure you make your face visible and also react to the video. So in that way, that your face is already showing in that video, is already giving YouTube the impression that that is your content. You understand? Because I've watched a lot of channels that do this reaction content, and they are really making a lot from all those videos. You understand? So it is very, I advise you just do a reaction video. If you don't know how to go about it, just go and search reaction videos on YouTube and you're going to see a lot of them. There are a lot of them in this YouTube. Another one is, instead of using AI voice, why not use your real voice as a voiceover? Or if you don't know how to do this voiceover with your voice, you think maybe your voice is not really sweet enough to capture audience attention, why not pay someone to do voiceovers for you? Yes, they have people that do voiceovers instead of doing all this AI voice that can lead to the monetization if you are monetized. So for you to be very careful enough, I also have somebody that I know in this YouTube that all what she's doing, she's paying somebody to do the voiceovers for her, and she's really making a lot of money. You understand? And she's doing her things freely. So we have to be careful in this YouTube street, so I will not fall victim in any of these niches. And if you want to choose niche, make sure you know how to do these things the right way for you to know how to go about it. If you don't know how to go about it, it is better for you to make research. That is why I always advise people that instead of you to do things the wrong way and start all over again, why not make research so you know what this thing is really all about before you start doing it, or before you start trying it in your channel and all that? Because it's really painful after a lot of effort you've put in for you to be monetized. At the end of the day, your channel is not monetized. It's really painful. So if you know that you don't want that to happen to you, so all you need to do is just for you to just go and make your research of the kind of niche you want to do. Even if you want to do any of this YouTube niche, you have to make sure you carefully do it the right way, so it will not lead you to trouble, it will not lead your channel to trouble, right? If you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video so to get to a whole lot of people. But thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you on our next video. Bye.